All right, folks, listen, welcome back to Smokin and Grillin with AB, right? Listen, I'm AB, I'm gonna be your host today, and we finna go ahead and get down, right? Now, you saw the title, you know we doing chopped cheese, right? But look, I'm gonna really do a chopped cheese versus my version of a chopped cheese. And you guys tell me, try it my way, and the key is, listen, I make mine with a mild Italian chicken sausage. This right here has been a game changer. Okay, so as you guys can see, not a whole lot of ingredients. Now listen, this is both my version and trying to stay true to original chopped cheese. You know what? And don't forget, the full ingredient list is on my website. That's smokinandgrillinwithab.com, and that's WITAB.com. This is 1 pound. I'm gonna add another pound, and we're gonna go ahead and start getting this ground beef going. You guys got to get one of these if you haven't got one of these already. You know what I mean? This is meat masher. You saw the way the ground beef was on there, right? So look at how when I just push it here, I give it just a little bit of a twist action like that. I just need to get a little bit of room. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add myself some onions. I'm gonna let these onions start working their way down right now. Look at this right here. We'll just use all of the onion. Next, I'm gonna come with my Saison. You know, we're gonna sprinkle this over the top. I usually add a different seasoning, you know what I mean? But this right here, look at this right here. I'm just trying to stay true to the game. Then I'm looking at it. I can tell you guys right now, it's gonna need another package. All right, now I sprinkle myself with just a little bit of this W sauce in here, you know, to give it that ooh-wee effect, right? I'm gonna come with some black pepper, because I put black pepper on everything that I cook. All right, so this is what we're finna do, folks. If you guys didn't know about this right here, listen, yes, I am using mayo to toast my bun. I got it. A lot of people like to use butter, including myself. I still use it every now and then. It depends on what's readily available, but if I have a preference, when you toast with butter, this gives you, when you toast with mayo, this is a much better, fuller. I can't explain it, but just trust me. Read the comments on everything that I've done when it comes to toasting buns, and I'm using this. Everybody comes back and say, AB, I just didn't know. Right, so moving this over here, that's kicking back a little grease. Right, so as we toast this, now we're gonna add some cheese. Ready? All right, so now what we're gonna do is start adding our cheese and let this start to melt in. Okay, so look, we're gonna start right here. You see that I got this toasted bun, right? Or toasted hoagie, you know what I mean? So we'll just go in here and get some of this cheese. You see that right there? Oh my God. And we'll just go ahead and put that in there like that. I know I filled this up quite a bit, you know what I mean? Because I still gotta get tomato and a little bit of lettuce. But right now, you guys know what I'm working with. I'm just gonna take this and set it right here, and we're gonna move on to the next one. All right, so listen, you see me do the chopped cheese, I'm gonna just say the New York way, right? There it is right there. I'm still set up to do that. Again, it's this mild Italian chicken sausage. If you guys haven't had this, please go out and find it. Order it online or whatever you gotta do. It's so worth it, and it's chicken, folks. So listen, I'm gonna take this now. I got my pan, you know, nice and hot. Now I usually do this outside on my griddle. You know what I mean? That makes a difference. I would have been able to make both of these, but just for the sake of being inside, because it is hot out here, you know what I mean? I went ahead and used my skillet. All right, so look, now that I got my, my chicken in here, right? This is my ground chicken. I just kind of like spread it out. The reason being, the same thing we did with the ground beef, we want to form a little crust, right? So I got it right here directly over the heat. I'm not gonna touch it, I'm gonna let that go. Meanwhile, if you guys come over here, I'm gonna go ahead and start, let's see. I'm gonna start with, breaking down my veggies. Now for me, this is what I like to put in there. Them bell peppers, right? So when I get them in here like this, because all this is gonna cook together, right? This is my version of it, of chopped cheese. I'm not really saying which one's the best, but you guys make it and you let me know. Make it the regular way, and then let's go from there, right? So we have this here. Let me go ahead and just, finish dicing these down. And by the time I finish, we'll go ahead and work with that chicken. All right, so again, I'm gonna grab this right here. What we wanna do is we wanna look at the bottom of this, right? Now, ground chicken is not gonna be as fatty as 80-20, right? Which is great, because when I lift it up, we'll lift it up like this. We look at the bottom, and that's what I'm looking for, right? So now that we have achieved that, what we're gonna do is get our meat masher, and we're gonna just start breaking this up. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is just add our, our veggies to it, right? This will pick up anything that's stuck like to the bottom of your pan, right? So once I have these in here and the onions, we're gonna cook these down. All right, so then what I wanna do is I want this to hit the, the hot pan. right? So I just spread it out like this. Before I started adding it there, what I wanted to do is release this water and the acid inside of it so I can pick up anything, and then we'll mix it all. And this is it right here. Look, this is my A-rub. This is great for the chicken, folks. You know what I mean? It goes good with veggies too. But check it out. We're going to go ahead and season this up. Now, if you guys want to put Saison on here, you can too. I'm telling you, the real level up is just the fact that I toasted the buns with mayo and the fact that I went ahead and used the chicken, you know, Italian sausage. That right there was fire. Now, I told you guys about this black pepper. I stay true to what I tell you. This is him right here. Right? So we give it like this. Then we give it just a couple of pinches of salt. That's it. Right? And now we're going to go ahead and, ooh, look at this right here, folks. And then I'm going to hit it again with my meat masher because you can see the chicken like to clump up. See these big pieces like this? Like this? Ooh, look at that. That was on the bottom. You see that? Look at that color. Look at that flavor and look at that crust. Let me go ahead and get it going. Kind of got that Philly cheesesteak. I know, folks. I know the Philly cheesesteak people don't want to hear that. You know what I mean? But I promise you got to give something else a try. You know what I mean? There are other ways to skin a cat. And this is one of them, folks. All right, so once you got it all broke down the way you want to, then it's time for you to go ahead and put that, you know, that cheese on top. This is what you want to get, folks, in order to get it that nice, cheesy, you know, consistency, right? So look, once your cheese melt, if it don't look like this, and then some of y'all are probably gonna say, hey, he put way more cheese on the one that he doing. Whatever it is that I did, I'm telling you, this one right here will rival the chopped cheese. You know what I mean? It's just as good. I'm not saying nothing bad about it, because listen, if it wasn't for the chopped cheese, I probably never ever would have, look at that. I never even would have thought about making something like this. But I'm gonna say, big ups to my people out there, you know, in New York, because way I'm told it like originated there. You know what I mean? So I'm glad they done it. Listen, I'm not finna over talk it. I'm finna make it, take some pictures of it, and eat it. I went ahead and did one, you know, kept it with the lettuce and tomato. Now I'm gonna come in here like this. We'll go ahead and get some of this chopped cheese the chicken way. And you see this right here? I just put it in like that, right? If anything fall over the side, that's okay. I guess it ain't okay for them because they're going to get it. Trust me, there is lettuce underneath the bottom of there. But you see that right there? Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. All right, so you guys seen what we come up with, right? I did it my version, you know, my way. I did it like that because I like to use that meat, you know what I mean? Then add in the, you know, the veggies to it. Only thing I left out that I should have put in there, you asked me, would it just like put the cherry on top? I could have put a couple of teaspoons of, I guess, minced garlic, right? So that was my way. We did it the chopped cheese way. But I don't want you guys to take my word for it. I'm finna bring 2 cats. They finna go ahead and taste it. Let me cut them both a piece because they think they finna get a whole one. They're gonna have to go home and make it themselves. So hold on, let me cut these and then we're gonna find out what they taste like. Okay, just like I told you guys, right? I got a couple cats that's gonna try it. Some of y'all know that's my nephew right there. Hey, my real nephew. You know what I'm saying? And then the other cat right there with the big old smile. Listen, that's my new cameraman. So listen, I'm getting ready to let them try it, you know what I mean? Go ahead, man. Y'all always talking about me and how I'm filming and all of that. So which one we trying first?
This is the classic chopped cheese.
I know they both chopped cheese, but I'm saying which one though? We doing the New York version or you doing the version that I like?
New York
version first.
All right, let's go.
And now we have AB's chopped cheese. Let's go in.
It's him.
Huh.
It's him.
You know what? You probably saying that because look, you know, we put them veggies in there. You know what I mean? Then I did go ahead and hit it with my seasoning. You know what I mean? We might be a little biased because we use my seasoning everywhere. But that right there, that's fire, huh?
Chicken sausage, bell peppers.
Hey, the key thing
everything
is,
in the mix.
Hey, look, the key thing is really just saying, it's really that though, man. It's that chicken Italian seasoning, you know, and that's inside of there. You know, the Italian seasoning, that's what do it. All right, so listen, they gave you their opinion, you know what it is. I want you guys to try it. You know what I mean? Don't forget to go to my website, smokingandgrillingwithab.com, and that's WITAB.com. You know what I mean? Everything will be there, all the ingredients, you know, step by step. Don't forget it's printable and downloadable. With that being said, Let me know what you would do to make either one of these over the top even better, right? So listen, if you're new to my channel, let me take this time to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and just tell everybody out there, there is a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking a mystery out of cooking. You know what I'm about to do? I'm about to give everybody a break. I'm about to clean up and I'm out. Peace.